In this video, I will illustrate the Linux declare variable. It is used to declare shell variables and functions. Let's learn how to declare a variable, assign a value, convert a string, set a read-only variable, and print out the options and attributes of the variable with the help of this command. So, don't fast forward the video to master this command. The declare command in Linux helps give bash scripts a type-like behavior for variables. Declaring a variable means creating a named storage space to hold data temporarily. These variables can be referenced and used in scripts or commands to store and manipulate data, making tasks like automation or customization easier. The syntax of the declare command is simple: declare followed by options and the name value. The declare command has several options, and it has some options that are used to set attributes to variables. As it is a shell built-in, the declare command does not have the man page, but you can get info using the help command to read more about them. For that, you have to type help declare. And by executing this command, you will see all the attributes and options for this command. At first, I will declare a variable using the declare command. For that, open the terminal and type declare var. Now to assign value, type var equal and the value you want to assign. Now to check the assigned value, write echo hit enter, and you can see the result. The value of the variable is 6, which I assigned before. Now in this example, I will show you how to assign an integer variable. For that, type declare -i number. Now, before assigning any integer value, let's check what happens if I assign any string value. For that, type number and the value high. Hit enter, and to check the value of number, type echo $number. Hit enter, and the output is 0, because as I declared the variable number as an integer and assigned a string value, it gives the output 0 by default. Now let's try with a fraction number. Type number equal sign and the value 1.5. Hit enter, and you can see it also gives error output because of the 0.5. Finally, let's check with some arithmetic operations. Number equal and the arithmetic operation 5 asterisk 5 in between the double quotation. Hit enter. To check the value, type echo $number, and see, you get the output of 5 multiplied 5, which is 25. Now let's check with division. Number equal 9 by 2. Hit enter. To check the value again, type echo $number. You can see the output is 4, but the actual output should be 4.5, but it does not showing the fraction part. That means if you declare a variable with integer option, you will get only the integer value as the output. Bash variables can have multiple values. To set an attribute to a variable as an array, use the declare command with option A. Let's try with the command declare -a array. To check if the array has any value, use the command echo $. Now starting curly brace, then array 0 and closing the curly brace. Hit enter. As there is no output displayed in the terminal, that means my array is empty. Now I will declare values for the array. For that, type declare array 0 and the value. I have assigned the first value. Now I will assign some more values. Now to view all the values, type echo $, curly brace, array, asterisk in square bracket, then closing curly brace and hit enter. and the terminal displayed array element values using the echo command. Now let's explore conversion. If you have initialized a variable with lowercase letters and need to convert it to uppercase, you can use the -u option with the declare command. For example, type declare -u data equal Linux. Hit enter. Now to view the assigned value of the variable, use the command echo. And after executing this command, you can see all the output string is in uppercase letters. For your information, you can do the conversion even if you are using letters of both cases while assigning the string. Again, like the previous one, you can declare a variable with a string of all lowercase letters using the -l option with the declare command. For instance, type declare -l name equal softical. Hit enter. And now if you type echo $name, you can see the output string is in lowercase letters. Suppose you want to declare a variable and you don't want to change it anymore. To do so, use the -r option with the declare command. By this, you will declare a read-only variable, and these variables will not be reassigned. If you try to reassign, the output will show you that the variable is read-only. Let's see an example. Type declare -r pi equal and the value 3.1416. Hit enter. Now if you try to reassign the pi variable by typing the command declare -r pi equal and the value 50, and if you hit enter, you can see the output shows that pi is a read-only variable. Using the declare variable with -p option, you can see all the declared variables and their attributes. It will also show you all the variables in your machine along with your running shell variables at the bottom. You can also display the attributes and name of a particular variable by giving the variable name after -p option. If that particular variable has no value or option with it, we will see a double dash with the output. For example, if I type declare rainbow equal 7 colors. Here in this command, I have declared a variable named rainbow with the value 7 colors, but I did not set any option for the rainbow variable. So if I type declare -p rainbow, you can see double dash in the options place. Now let's declare a variable with an option. Type declare -i count equal 200. Hit enter. Now to display the variable, type declare -p count. Hit enter. And here you can see the option is displayed because I set the option -i while declaring the variable. Now let's check all the variables with their attributes. For that, you have to type declare -p. Hit enter. And here you can see all the variables for the running shell with their options and attributes. In conclusion, in this video, I have discussed how to use declare variables in bash scripts. I used the declare command with different options and further discussed their usage with practical examples. If you go through all the examples, I hope you will learn all about assigning variables with different types of attributes. For more insights, don't forget to check out the video description. Also, to like, comment and share the video. Stay connected with LinuxSimply, and thank you for watching.